Okay, students, just now we looked at minimum. So now we're going to look at maximum. Huh? Maximum, what do you say, sir? Because if you check the value here, it is a negative. So it's a maximum curve. How does a maximum curve looks like? This is how it looks like. We call it the sad face. Just now, the smiling face. So I need to find where it touches. Okay, the place where it touches comes from where it comes from the solution. So we are going to find the solution. So negative x squared minus x plus 2, 0. So let's write down ax squared plus bx plus c, 0. Plug out a, b, c. So when I look at it, I can plug out a, b, c. My a, negative 1. My b, negative 1. My c, 2. Can you see? Negative 1, negative 1, 2. So go to my calculator, the same thing, menu, polynomial, put in the first one, negative 1, a, b, negative 1, c, 2. So when I press the calculator, the screen shows two answers. One is, if you check very clearly, one of it is 1. X is equal to 1. Okay, what is the other one? X is equal to negative 2. So we have to do as if kita buat factorization, right? So we do this. So which one is bigger, my dear students? As you are aware, this is bigger. So the bigger one will be on my right. Smaller one on my left. Done? Okay, let's bring the y-axis. Where is 0? 0 is more nearer to 1. So I bring in my y-axis and I make sure it touches the curve. Now where does it touch on the curve? The one without the x in my actual equation. So this is the one that gives me what we call the y-intercept, they call it. I give you one more example. Let's look at this. So we already know this is a negative. So what does this actually tell me? It's a maximum curve. So I need to find out what is the value it is going to touch the x-axis. So to get these two values, what am I going to do? Go to my equation. This is my equation. And I plug out a, b, c. Ax squared plus bx plus c, 0. So plug out a, b, c. A negative 3, b negative 2, c 5. Go back to the calculator like just now. Key in a negative 3, b negative 2, c 5. And we have the answer. One is 1. The other one, if you check very clearly, is negative 5 over 3. Factorization, I move the 1. Factorization for the next one, first you move the 3. You get 3x. Then you move the negative 5 plus. Why am I doing factorization? Just to show that as if I did factorization. But we are learning how to cheat smartly, right, my dear students? So I have a calculator. I got the answer. So the bigger one is 1. The smaller one is negative 5 over 3. You look at the x-axis, 0 is more nearer to 1. So I draw my y-axis. When I draw my y-axis, I look for the value it touches. As I told you, go for the equation, check for the one without the x, which is 5. So from there, I got my y-intercept. This is how you sketch a maximum graph.